Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Faux Rock Panels is probably one of the most versatile and visually appealing choices for transforming any space, offering the rugged, natural beauty of stone without the hefty price tag or labor-intensive installation associated with real rock. These panels are designed to mimic the look and texture of natural stone, providing an instant upgrade to interior accent walls, exterior facades, or even unique DIY projects, all while being lightweight and easy to work with. Whether you're aiming for a rustic cabin feel, a modern industrial aesthetic, or a dramatic statement piece, Faux Rock Panels offer a practical and stylish solution that can dramatically enhance the character and value of your home or project. Number 5. Sunnydaze Large Faux Landscape Rock Cover. Tired of looking at unattractive yard fixtures and utilities? This large fake rock is the perfect solution to discreetly hide them, maintaining a clean and natural look in your outdoor space. Crafted from durable polyresin, its neutral color and realistic texture are designed to blend seamlessly into any landscape. Its lifelike appearance and irregular edges ensure it looks like a natural part of your yard. Built to withstand the elements year-round, this hollow cover comes with metal stakes to keep it securely in place, even in windy conditions. It's a long-lasting addition to your outdoor decor. Easily conceal manhole covers, gas lines, or control panels to maintain a beautiful, natural-looking outdoor space. It's ideal for keeping your landscape tidy and cohesive. Whether you're a homeowner or a landscaper, this artificial rock offers a simple yet effective landscaping solution. It blends effortlessly with mulch and flower beds for professional curb appeal. Enjoy the realistic natural texture that mimics a real rock. Its lightweight yet durable construction makes it easy to handle and position. What we like. This product is designed to discreetly hide unattractive yard fixtures and utilities. Its lightweight construction and included stakes make it easy to position and secure. If you're looking to quickly improve your curb appeal by concealing essential but unsightly elements in your yard, this is a great choice. What people say. The faux rock looks great. The color beautiful, the shape is very realistic, and it blends right into the landscape. Nicely covered a sewer line clean out. Decided to add address numbers to it, which you can because of resin material. It a nice thick and sturdy cover. I have a few and this one is a bit thicker than most. It also has tabs and comes with good sturdy stakes as well. Number 4. Yutianli 7mm thick anti-collision faux brick wall panels. Tired of boring walls? Our faux brick panels offer a unique retro pattern to showcase your personal style and bid farewell to monotony. Installation is a breeze with our peel and stick design. You can easily cut them to size, making wall renovation simple and convenient. These panels are perfect for various areas, including TV backgrounds, living rooms, bedrooms, hallways, and even covering up old, dirty walls. Crafted from high-quality PE foam, they are tasteless, non-toxic, and formaldehyde-free, ensuring a safe environment for your family. At 7mm thick, these panels provide a superior three-dimensional effect and enhanced durability. They are also waterproof, dustproof, and easy to clean. Experience enhanced safety with their anti-collision features. Plus, enjoy a quieter space thanks to their sound insulation properties. For best results, ensure your wall is clean, dry, and flat before application. They adhere well to most smooth surfaces like cement, glass, and painted walls. What we like. These panels offer a distinct 3D retro brick look with a thicker, more durable foam construction than many alternatives. They are waterproof, easy to clean, and simple to cut and install. If you're aiming for a stylish accent wall in a bedroom, living room, or hallway and want a product that's both visually appealing and practical for high-traffic areas, consider these. What people say. Very easy to work with. Ended up with removing the backing paper about 2 inches around the edge for easier application. The tiles are bigger than expected and are a textured foam. They feel pretty cool and actually give the effect of feeling somewhat real. My classroom looks very fancy with this product, and I really like the appearance. Number 3. AZ Faux High Density Polyurethane Faux Stone Wall Covering Panels. Discover the revolutionary way to enhance your home's aesthetic with our high-density polyurethane faux stone wall covering panels. They offer a stunning, realistic look for both interior and exterior applications. These panels are incredibly lightweight, making installation a breeze for any DIY enthusiast. Achieve a beautiful stone facade without the heavy lifting or complex procedures. Hand-painted by skilled artisans, our panels mimic the authentic look of real stone, adding warmth and elegance to any space. They are designed for durability and visual appeal in both indoor and outdoor settings. Transform your walls with ease. Our panels are simple to cut and install, and each order comes with a touch-up paint kit to ensure a flawless finish. Crafted from robust, high-density polyurethane, these panels are built to last. They provide a premium look and feel while being resistant to the elements, perfect for any project. Experience the finest quality with products proudly manufactured in North Carolina. We are dedicated to offering top-tier decorative faux stone, brick, and timber solutions. What we like. Crafted from high-density polyurethane, these panels offer a realistic stacked stone appearance that's significantly lighter than real stone. They are designed for both interior and exterior applications and come with a touch-up kit for a flawless finish. If you desire a premium, natural stone look for your home's facade or interior accent walls and value ease of installation and durability, these panels are an excellent option. What people say. Easy to install. It was easy to work with, lightweight, solid and easy to cut, and I love that the company sent me 6 bottles of various colored paints to blend the edges I had to cut to fit our fireplace. Buy a matching sanded grout, and in minutes the seams disappear completely. Everyone loves it. Number 2. AZ Faux Stacked Stone Wall Panels, Sedona. Transform your space with these stunning faux stone panels. They offer the authentic look of real stone but are incredibly lightweight and simple to install, making them perfect for any project. Crafted from high-density polyurethane, these panels are built to last. Their realistic, hand-painted finish is ideal for both interior and exterior applications, adding warmth and character to your home. Get a professional, rustic look with ease. These panels are designed for simple DIY installation and even come with a touch-up paint kit to ensure a flawless finish. Enjoy the beauty of stacked stone without the weight or cost of natural materials. These panels are significantly lighter than real stone, yet provide a remarkably similar aesthetic. Rest assured with the quality and craftsmanship of these panels, proudly manufactured in North Carolina. They represent the finest in decorative faux stone products available today. What we like. Manufactured from durable, high-density polyurethane, these panels mimic the authentic look of stacked stone while being lightweight and easy to handle. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects and include a touch-up paint kit for seamless integration. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking to add a rustic, natural stone aesthetic to your home's exterior or interior spaces, these panels provide a high-quality and manageable solution. What people say. Easy to install. My fireplace looks like real stone. Very realistic and easy to cut. Number 1. AZ Faux Sedona Stacked Stone Wall Panels. Transform your space with our faux stone wall panels. They offer the authentic look of real stone but are incredibly lightweight and simple to install, making them perfect for any DIY project. Crafted from high-density polyurethane, these panels are built to last. They are suitable for both interior decorating and exterior faux siding, providing a beautiful and protective layer for your home. Each panel is meticulously hand-painted by our skilled artisans to perfectly mimic the appearance of natural stone. This ensures a warm, inviting, and realistic aesthetic for your indoor and outdoor spaces. Weighing significantly less than real stone, our panels provide a stunning visual impact without the heavy lifting. They are designed for easy handling and installation, saving you time and effort. Installation is a breeze. Simply cut the panels to size and secure them with basic tools. A touch-up paint kit is included to ensure a flawless finish for your rustic, natural look. Rest assured of the highest quality, as our products are proudly manufactured in our North Carolina facility. We are dedicated to offering premium decorative faux stone solutions. What we like. These faux stone panels are made from robust, high-density polyurethane, delivering a convincing stacked stone look that's perfect for various decorating needs. They are engineered for both interior and exterior applications and come with a touch-up paint kit to ensure a professional finish. If you appreciate a warm, inviting stone aesthetic and are seeking a durable, easy-to-install product for your home's renovation or decoration projects, this is a strong contender. What people say. The panels are lightweight and easy to cut and install. They look very realistic and add a great aesthetic to the space. The panels are durable and have held up well against the elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.